Hey there, traders, Keane Traders. It was a slow Monday, which I actually predicted this morning. Mondays, especially when we have a lot of data stacked up onto the end of the week, tend to be nondescript consolidation days. That's why I normally stay away from scalping on Mondays. All right, let's see what we have coming up for the rest of the week, though. On Tuesday, we have the USD consumer confidence report, which is expected to come around 64, which is going to be at 8:30 Eastern time, which is going to create some volatility. But more importantly, on Wednesday we have the FOMC report, where this is what we have going to have a lot of traders sidelined until that point. And then on Thursday we have Canadian GDP, if anybody's interested in trading the CAD. And then on Friday we have non-farm payroll, the mother of all reports, that always is threatened to make a lot of volatility, but never seems to really pan out in that aspect. And then we have ISM. I believe around 10 o'clock, or maybe it's 9:55 on Friday also. So let's take a look at what we have going on right here and see the trading opportunities we have, or maybe the trades that we should have taken. I was looking for scalps yesterday and Friday in the open market on Monday. Well, not scalps, they're swing trades, and the Great Britain pound was a pair that I was actually targeting, and it looks like the cross. Well, we all know that the cross opened below the resistance zone that I talked about between 157.38 and 158.20, and I was looking for the cross actually not to go short in this pair. I was looking for a move back up towards the gap, which the gap is the difference obviously between what the pair closed at and what the pair opened at on Monday, which was what, about 157.50, and we had a move up to, basically it was 50 pips, and I was looking for a bounce back up to that, and then expecting a continued move lower. It looks like we had the exact opposite. We had a break, and actually all these bars did look very compelling for these hammers for a move up higher. And then in North America today, the bottom fell out underneath the pair, and we are down 157.55, 157. We're down about 75 pips in the cross since the open of trading in the week. But what we're looking for in this pair, because we talked about it earlier last week in the Great Britain pound, is if we get a good solid close in this pair below the 50 fib, we could easily be pushing down towards the 0.382 fib, which is around 156.60, and more importantly down towards the 155 area. So we're going to watch the price action here, and we're going to look at this point. I'm not going to go short obviously, but I'm going to watch the price action here at 156.61 to see what kind of action we have. If we get we could get a turnaround at this point, and then see a push up higher back to close the gap up for a continued move lower. Continued lower throughout to finish up the week. That's the trading plan I have. So going into tonight, I'm watching the price action at 156.61, and I'm going to watch the 158, basically the 158 level for the remainder of the week for possible opportunities to jump in long or short at these price levels. Let's take a look at the other pair that was in play today, which was the Aussie USD. The Aussie USD didn't have a lot of action, but you can see in Asia when things opened up, we had moved up to test the ascending trend line, which was the trade of interest with the break of 104.20, and now the cross is down basically to 104. We didn't have a big move here, but we're going to watch for a possible reversal here, because if we don't have continued momentum lower pretty soon, and by soon I mean in Asian trading tonight, and then we're looking for a push down to 103.50, and then maybe even the 103 level, we could get a reversal here, and we have pushed back up towards the took up to the trend line of course at 104.35 at first, and then the 104.60 level would be of interest. So we're going to have to watch these candles in the 4-hour charts to see which direction we can get. Let's take a look at the, we'll just go through all the majors here. The euro just consolidating. We're still in this 135, 130.60 level. Not much to say or do at this point. And the Euro JPY is in the same boat. We're consolidating in a pretty narrow range. The 123 level is still in play. The pair did gap down not didn't gap down, but did get a good push down lower yesterday in trading. It went all the way down towards the lows today around 121.72. So we had a 100 pip move right there. When was that happened relatively quickly and without any correlation. Basically, it was just static, moving inside of a larger range. Very hard to trade those levels. But what we're going to watch today is actually, I would like to get a pushback up towards this 122.50 level for a good opportunity to go short. Looking for a move back down towards the 120 level. Of course, I would need to see the price action up to those levels, or if we do just get a break at these lows here around 121.60, it could be an opportunity to go short, looking for a broader move lower towards the 120.70 area. That's what I'm going to be watching in this pair. This is something I'll probably be jumping into, hoping to be jumping into relatively soon. The next pair is the USD CAD. As you can see, the CAD still above the 50 fib, and traders are going to be looking for a move, not just to this 101. They're going to want this 103.40 level, so 101.40 level. So I would watch this pair until we get a break back. If we get a break back below parity, then we could be back down to 99.70. But if we get a hold here, we could easily see a bounce back up towards the 101.40 level in the short run. So we're going to watch the price action here. There could be an opportunity to go long if we get back down to this level. The last pair we're going to take a look at is the Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen back up around 91. Let's check on this daily chart, get a better perspective. You can see like I've said before, between these levels we have a lot of hot air. 90, 20, 70 is support. That's what we really need to look for right now, and resistance is up at 93.36. I don't really have a bias. I would expect a bit of a pullback, but I wouldn't expect a new lower low. If we had a pullback, it would probably be towards the 89 level before it could probably catch some traction. And then I mean, I'm not saying that if you just wanted to play the current trend, looking for higher highs, higher lows, that's what you would do and go long, looking for a move back up towards probably the next level will be around 92. All right, everybody, good luck trading. We have hope Monday. Tuesday could be slow also, with people sitting on the sideline until FOMC, but we'll see. Hopefully we can snag some pips and get the ball rolling for the week. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Keep your trades keen and play it safe.